So this is the power supply from one of my oscilloscopes that I bought back from Japan. Broken, of course. Got it for about $25. Nothing powered on. So I took it apart, which was greatly painful. And just there you can see, oh, don't want to burn the cables. The solder mask is missing just there. And that was due to some electrolytic capacitors spilling their guts out everywhere. So I'm going to replace those in hopes that that fixes it. I am in no way professional at this. I would say quite the opposite, actually. And nothing, but not very good. Okay. I will do all the capacitors. Also, this one was pretty cool. If this was still in production, this would have been pretty cool for a power supply. Each of these, come on. Yeah, so each of these, they're just little modules. Mains in and then DC regulated out. Pretty complex, but that's, I guess, for clean power, considering it's a oscilloscope, but all this stuff is labeled as well. You've got, I assume, A&A, analog, and then that's digital circuitry. I don't know. I assume this isn't really necessary, but you know, to save accidentally bridging things. Oh crap! Okay, that comes out thick. I didn't even realize. Yeah, definitely should have spread that more thin. Just don't want to cover those pads. Could have been a lot worse for a first attempt though. Oh, there's a flake. Finally, just that little bit over here. Doesn't smell that great, to be honest. Okay, that'll do. I don't really know how to pick this up. I'm just going to shove it in the box. Alright, I have a UV thingy here. Just little UV lamp. I don't know if it'll work, I hope so. UV 330. Actually, this is from a COVID test kit. I don't know how long to hold it for. Alright, should I touch it? Oh my god. It's almost done. Let's softish, but it will work. It will work. I don't think there was damage on the others. Oh, there was a little bit, but I may as well do it. Just dab a tiny bit on. That's it. All right. So those are all done. Sort of hard to see. That one. It looks burnt. It didn't test the same as the other ones. I spent some time dialing in the voltages. A lot of the 12 volt regulators were almost at 14. They were like 13.8 or something, which I thought was quite high. The 5 volt ones were a bit better, but again, needed to be adjusted. So everything's in. I'm a little terrified. So I'm going to stand back. I mean, that's something. Okay, so we actually do have an image. We did have an image. Hang on, let's retry that. Let's try again. You can see some lights flashing there and there. There you go. So you can see, I can hear relays ticking. And then we have improvements. Very nice. Alrighty, so I've got a new battery 3.6 volt lithium. These are the single use ones, which I find a bit weird. I don't know why there wouldn't be a rechargeable circuit, but then again, you know, you've only got a certain amount of cycles that you can do, so not so easy, but you can see that the caps have leaked, so I'm going to need to do another repair job just like on the power supply. Now this one also has those, and it looks like, yeah, they've done it too. Okay, so there you go, bingo. 47 16 volt. I'm sure I have some lying around somewhere. Anyway, good stuff.